Please stand for the flag salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now observe a moment of silence.
Oh, I didn't notice you there. Well, I wonder what's happening at ZSC this week. Stay tuned!
This Friday at 5 p.m. is the PTO Fall Carnival. We are really hoping that you will join us for games, food, and lots of excitement. Make sure to tell your parents to bring you back to ZSC at 5 p.m. and join all of the fun.
If you have a Scholastic e-wallet, every day your name will be entered into a drawing for a prize from the Media Center. Today's drawing winner is Paisley Richardson. Congratulations, Paisley. Come to the Media Center for your prize.
The cafeteria smells good. I wonder what they're cooking. Well, then let's see.
Today for lunch we are having chicken Alfredo, grilled cheese sandwiches, turkey and cheese sandwiches, Cobb salad, garden salad, broccoli florets, peaches, plums, rolls, and milk. That's all for the Cool Cat News. Let's make today a wonderful day.